Thank you for coming tonight. This meeting was organized almost by accident. I ran into David Swanson by accident, and we were talking about my new interest in healthcare. And he suggested we organize a meeting, and here it is. The purpose of this meeting is education. For the ones of you who are not aware of HR 676, I hope you will learn. There are people on the panel who are experts in one way or another. Most of their bios are on the back. How many of you are familiar with this bill, which is, raise your hands, hi, 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 hi. Okay, quite a few of you are. Hopefully you will learn some more. My purpose here as a citizen is to start a conversation with you, a conversation with your neighbors, and it's going to take people like you to make a difference. I couldn't say it better than an email that I received today, and it came from Nancy Dowdy. She's a councilwoman in Waynesboro, and I also need to thank Sherry Stanley for bringing people from the valley over. They've been working on this for several years. But I'm going to read her email because I think this sums up how I feel. A child's health affects every aspect of that individual's life, our society, and our economy until their death. From a governmental standpoint, healthy individuals are productive, tax-paying citizens. Unhealthy individuals become burdens to the system. Investments in a healthcare system that works are investments in our government's future health with an expectation of a return on that investment. From a human standpoint, every man, woman, and child in this magnificent country should have accessibility to basic health and dental care at a minimum. In our current economic environment, not even middle-class families currently can afford health care. For those who have health care, it is a large burden on their family budget. Addressing health care is a fundamental piece of fixing our current economic crisis for many. I couldn't say it better. Tonight, I hope you will learn about HR 676. It is a plan. I want you to ask questions of our speakers. I don't know it all, and neither do they, but we can learn together. If you feel that you can support this, or even if you don't, I've made up some postcards, and tonight I'd like for you to take one and write to Tom Perriello. He is our new congressman in the 5th, and let him know how you feel. Because the Congress is the one that is going to make a difference in this issue. So thank you for coming. One other thing, would any elected officials from anywhere please stand? Elected officials. Okay, and you are from? Stanton, thank you. And your name is? Carolyn, thank you so much for coming. These are people that serve our communities, and boy, I can't thank you enough. Yes, and you are? Harrisonburg. Thank you so much, Richard. With no more words from me, I'd like to ask David to come up and present our program.